Hi, Simple Life Ministry, Lorna here, back at you with another video. So today we are going to do tomatoes. We are featuring tomatoes, and we went to the Natalie and Lenny, as I did in the last video, and we got it. Lots of tomatoes, and this is the season for canning. This is the season for dehydrating, because everything are coming up here now in Canada off the farms, and so because you want them to last you throughout the winter season when everything will go dormant, you got to preserve them now so that you can have them to use. And so I don't know, many of you know that tomatoes are good for prostate cancer, but I just want to name out a couple of things that the tomato is good for. Tomato is good for inflammation. So when you have, sometimes you have some little pains all throughout the body, the tomato is good to get that. Now is the time. Whenever things are in season, when you plant them and they come, wherever you are, that is when you should eat a lot of it. It is good for your immune system. So even as the winter is coming along, eat up more tomatoes so you're not prone to get a cold so fast. It is good to lower your cholesterol. And don't you know, when you lower your cholesterol, it prevents blood clotting, because tomato prevents blood clotting also, and it prevents strokes. So everything starts when the cholesterol is high. It gives you blood clotting and you have strokes. Tomato will do all of that. And did you know that tomato lowers high blood pressure? Simple Life, if you know someone that constantly have high blood pressure, have them blend the tomato and drink the tomato juice. They can strain it or just drink it straight up. It is good for just like that. Or if you mix it with parsley, it is and celery, parsley, celery, and tomato, very good to lower the blood pressure instantly. So tomatoes are very, very beneficial. And so I hear that if you gently steam it, it is more potent, like it is better than if you have it raw. But any which way you can get it in your system, have tomatoes today.
Prostate too?
Yeah, that was the first one I said, sweetie.
All right.
Oh yes, let me go over. Seeing that it matters to you, it is very good for prostate cancer. And so, you know, many men are coming down with prostate cancer when you do not need to. Have more tomato, have a fruit salad, your cucumber, your zucchini, your avocado, or if you're in Jamaica, your pear, whatever fruits you can put together, and lots of tomatoes, and have more tomato salad, because it will keep away the prostate from the gentleman. Okay, so today now we are going to make something extraordinary. We're going to make tomato powder. Why tomato powder? I use the tomato to do other things, but today I want the powder, because if I am making a sauce and I don't want anything chunky in it, if I use the tomato powder, it can give it that red color. So that's why I'm doing it. So what you do now, Simple Life, you cut up, wash them of course, and you cut them up here as I have started. You cut them up and you put them into that high-speed blender and you puree it. Put them in the blender and puree it, and that is what I did over here. And so I put it on the Teflex sheet so that it can dry out. As soon as it is dried, I am going to put one of these, because you notice that this tray has the holes. So I'm going to exchange this and flip it over and let it dry on this, because this one now will get the air in it. Right now it needs the Teflex because it has the water inside of it. Okay, so I went ahead and did that so I could show it to you, Simple Life. So after I flip it over on here, I get the scissors and I cut it up so that it can dry faster. So instead of having the whole thing dry, I cut it up like this in strips to make it like I said, so the air can pass through it faster. These ones I had sliced up, and these ones I put into the chips. So you know, so you just dry them until they can come apart.
Could we eat that just?
You can eat it just like this, sweetie. You can, if you are making a tomato sandwich, you can just put these slices between the tomatoes,
like
the
tomato
sandwich,
chip.
and it's tomato chips. If it was my eating time, I would have tasted for you. But oh my word, the taste is like, it's like something it's like a taste bomb go off in your mouth. These tomatoes, they are so amazing. And so now with a dry blender, you're going to put them into the dry blender. All of this, let me try and go a little faster. So there's a couple yellow tomatoes in here, not much. So now we're gonna try to make, but I like that idea what you said, Sadie, about the if you could have it just like that. Yes, I never thought of it, but you could. And now here we go. Let's give this a try. Dried. All right. Oh, the smell. Can you smell it over there?
Oh yeah, very strong.
There it is. Simple Life. If you want to we need something that's much drier. Yes, if you want to make it more powdery, you can make it more powdery, you know, but I don't like to take the life out of things, so let's do it a little bit more, but you get the idea. Simple Life. You see, look how much of it was, and now it's all, and if you want to put it, you know, instantly to get it all mashed out, to get the color of a gravy, or if you want to make a sauce, you can make it, you can blend it out into the powder. So this is it. This is it. Let me try to pour it on something what I'm going to store it in.
Oh, it's so strong.
This is what goodness, this is what good quality smells like, and this is what it looks like. It takes a whole heap of tomato to get you this, but you don't need a whole heap when you're cooking because it is so strong. So Simple Life, here it is. I just want to thank you for watching, for liking and subscribing to my YouTube channel. Please share this video with everyone that's doing their planting and their reaping, so that they can, you know, utilize the things that are coming in, so that nothing will go to waste.
Amen.
Thank you again. God bless. I did say like, share and subscribe.
Amen.
Bye.
Bye.